guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video I'm going to talk to you guys about my top 10 products that are under rupees 500 and are an absolute gem, and you guys need to check them out ASAP, like literally right now after watching this video, of course. Now you guys always ask me for some budget recommendations, so I curated this list where I talk about 10 products, I think 11 products which are under rupees 500, and I really love them. I have been using them for years, so I thought I'll make a list and share it with you guys. So if you guys are interested, make sure you watch this video till the end, and make sure you're also subscribed to my channel if you love such content. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Is gonna be an eyeshadow palette that I have started with, and honestly I have been using them for years and years and I absolutely love them. I love all of these products and I'm gonna keep saying this again and again. So these are the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadows. Now of course I'm sure you guys know them. This is how they look like. Now these are from Wet n Wild. So many of you would have already used them, loved them. I love them too. So I'm just gonna open it and show you guys. So this is the shade. This is in the variant Nude Awakening. Yeah, this is a very beautiful, very nude palette, and you guys will absolutely love them because this is especially if you're a beginner and you don't want to experiment a lot with color, you just want to try some shadows which will make it easier for you to do some day looks, some night looks. So you can literally do all of that with this one. And then I also have another variant which is Rose in the Air. Yeah, this is how that looks like. It's also a dupe for Anastasia's palette, so that's that. I mean, the color range, of course, the shadow quality does differ. So this is what that looks like. Again, very beautiful shades, very amazing pigmentation. Alright, so these are the swatches, and as you can see, these are so pigmented, really good quality shadows. These are not at all powdery. They look absolutely stunning on the eyes. They blend really well. As I said, they are not powdery. They do have a little bit of kickback, but that's okay. I mean, I don't mind it, not a lot, but just a little bit, which is very normal. So yeah, this is the pigmentation, you guys. It is amazing for the price that you pay, and you can always get them on discount, so that's pretty amazing. Right, so next up I have one more eyeshadow recommendation for you guys, and these are the Nicka K eyeshadow palettes. You guys must have seen them everywhere, and this is what they look like. These are like the 9 pan eyeshadows, and they come in a bunch of colors and shades, and as you can see, they are so perfect. The color, the variety, everything is so good. I did have a lot more shades, but I cannot find them right now. So as I said, they're really good. Some of the mattes are a bit patchy, but honestly it's not a problem for the price that you pay. The shimmer and everything, they are so good. I really only some very light shades might be a little patchy, but let's talk about this palette. So this is called Poison Apple. Now this is what it looks like. I'll just swatch a few shades for you. My hands are totally clean, so I'll just swatch a few shades for you and you'll know what I'm talking about. Alright, so first of all, this is what that looks like. I'm gonna swatch. Look at that. It is so good, you guys. Look at that shimmer. Oh my goodness. Oh god, this is so beautiful. The shimmers, they amaze me every time. They are so gorgeous palettes. As I said, you will love them. You need to check them out. They are only for $4.99, and you can always get them on discount. Most of the time they are 3 palettes for $9.99, which is so good. And talk about this one particular shadow that has beautiful colors, but let's swatch these and see if you can find the same pigmentation. Alright, so I'm gonna swatch this. Look at that. Hello, did I just throw my palette? So first of all, let's talk about how beautiful the shade selection is. This is very rare, especially if you are not paying a lot for an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna swatch it. How beautiful that shade is. Come on, you guys, this is so gorgeous. I haven't used this palette in so long, and I'm already missing it. So as I said, some of the shades might be patchy, especially this yellow is a little patchy, but again, if you blend it right, it does get blended, so that's not a problem. But I mean, can you see the pigmentation for the price that you pay? It is amazing. And Again, these palettes are my on my top recommendation list if you guys are on a budget and you would like to try a bunch of colors, and with an eyeshadow that is good quality but it does not burn a hole in your pocket. So let's get done with the last eyeshadow recommendation for the day, which are these Swiss Beauty eyeshadows. Now these are liquid eyeshadows. I hope you can see, like, I literally have all the shades. I love them. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a liquid eyeshadow, so you get literally so many colors. I have 6 of them, and I think these are mostly the kind of shades you would go for, especially if you are actually going out. Only on Instagram can you wear such bold colors and all of that. I mean, if you want to, of course, go ahead, but these are the shades that most of us would like to wear. So you have like a very beautiful orangey golden shade, and then you have a literal yellow gold, and then you have a grayish black, you have a pink shade, you have champagne. So many colors, and I'm just gonna swatch one of these for you guys. Now these shadows do stay on your eyelids for very long. If you are a beginner and if you want to do cut crease and you don't want to do all that shebang with the micellar water and then go on with the concealer and all of that, it does take a lot of time and it does take a lot of practice. So if you are a beginner and you want a very quick eye look and you want to just get done with it, you can use these eyeshadows. They do not cripple, they do not crumble, and they do not they do not tear apart on your eyelids. Some of the very cheap ones do that, but these don't. These are really good, and these are very affordable. So I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. As you can see, the color payoff is pretty nice, and if you want to, you can blend them out, especially like this. Now I'm just gonna take my eyelids and I'm gonna take my finger, I'm just gonna tap it, and this is how the blended shade looks like. You can literally apply it only this one shade and you can blend it out, and it would look really beautiful if you don't want to go for cut crease. So this is really good, and I would highly suggest you guys to check these out if you're looking for liquid eyeshadows. Moving on to another recommendation, which is a foundation. Now I'm pretty sure so many of you guys would have this in your makeup kit, but just in case if you still don't, you need to check this out. I mean, this is the Maybelline matte plus poreless Fit Me foundation. I mean, how long has it been that I have been trying this? I have loved this ever since I started my makeup. This was my first foundation and I love it till date. This is what it looks like. It's a really beautiful foundation. It goes for all skin types. If you're dry, if you're oily, if you're combination, if you are whatever, this would go for you. This looks really beautiful. I feel like this does say it's a matte plus poreless foundation, but honestly I would call it a demi matte foundation. It does look very beautiful on my skin. I have a very dry skin type, so saying that it looks dewy on my skin is a big thing, and it does look really nice. It blends beautifully, it stays on for so long, it looks super natural. So this is a foundation. This is like, if you are starting out or if you are a pro, I don't know, you would still love it. This is the foundation for you guys. Alright, so moving on to another product that I love, and I think talked about it way too many times, but maybe not on my YouTube, only on my Instagram, so I thought I'll share it with you guys here. So this is the Swiss Beauty Makeup Primer. Now this is the real base, makeup base, and this is a primer. You guys, this is so gorgeous. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. Swiss Beauty has been killing it with their products, and as you can see, I love the packaging. It is such a heavy bottle. Like, this is a very beautiful glass bottle. The product feels so luxe. You cannot believe the price of it. I think it retails for $350 or $325 only, and for the quality of the packaging, this feels super expensive. I mean, love it. It has some beautiful, I mean, I love the packaging, you guys. It has this beautiful pump, and when you apply it, look at that. This is it is primer cum stroke cream, and you're gonna see how stunning this looks. I think it comes in I think 2-3 shades, and this is how that looks like when you apply it on your face. Your foundation, if you are a fan of a dewy look, if you are an oily person, and if you don't like dewy foundations, if you are a matte person, then don't go for this. But this, if you are a dry skin girl, and all of your dewy dreams will come true with this one. This is so beautiful, and I will leave a reel, link down below where I talk about this foundation being a dupe of the MAC Strobe Cream. I have the Strobe Cream right at the back, and this is a bang on dupe, you guys. This is so beautiful, looks stunning under your foundations. And now, even if you're not applying makeup, you can just apply this and go out. It's gonna look so stunning. It doesn't look like a patchy thick layer of shiny liquid or something on your face. It doesn't look like that. It blends beautifully on your skin. You can mix it with your foundation. You can do so much with this, and even if you're not wearing makeup, this is gonna look so pretty on you. Oh my god, I have just fallen in love with this again. I'm going to use it on my next tutorial. So staying on the Swiss Beauty bandwagon, another product that I absolutely love from them is their liquid concealer. Now I got it I think 2-3 months back, and I have been loving it ever since. This is such a good concealer, and at a price of only $1.99, and you always can get it on discount for like $180 or something, so that is even great. This is so good. Very easily a good dupe for so many high-end products, and like for so many high-end concealers. This is really good. I honestly, I'm not kidding when I say I don't really finish up my concealers too quickly, but I have finished up this so much, as you can see, because I really like it. Now this is the wand of it. It is very thin and it blends on beautifully. I have it in the shade 02. Now I do understand that this does not come in a lot of shades. You can only choose between 4 to 5 shades, but if you can find your shade, this is so good. You need to get it. It is really beautiful. I'm definitely gonna stock up on this because I love it. Now it does have kind of medium to fuller coverage. You can build it up. It looks beautiful, you guys. It's amazing. Alright, so next up I have some bronzer and blush recommendation for you guys, and these are from the House of Sugar. Now first of all, these are so nice. Like, as you can see, the packaging is really nice and cardboard packaging, and they are I think for around 350 bucks. So this is pretty cheap for a blush or for bronzer, contour, whatever you can get. I don't like the highlighter or the same highlighter in this small packaging, so don't get that. I don't like it. But the bronzer, the contour, and the this blushes, they're really nice. Now I do have a few shades. I think I have 4 or 5 shades in them, but this is how those look like. This one is my favorite shade. This is called Salmon Superstar, and this is very beautiful. It is nicely pigmented, looks very beautiful, looks matte, and blends super beautiful. So I really like this. If you guys want to check some powder blushes out which are under your budget, these should be a go-to. So I have a lip and cheek tint recommendation for all the girls that love a very beautiful natural skin like blush, and that is from the House of Earth Rhythm. Now you guys, this is so beautiful. Ever since I got it, I haven't been able to put it down. I love it. I love it. I do not have a shade name on this one, so I cannot tell you what shade is this, but this is so good. The quality, the formula, it is so good. It blends beautifully on your makeup. It doesn't remove your foundation underneath, and even if you're not wearing makeup and you just apply it, and this is gonna look so good. It looks very natural, very dewy, and especially when you apply it, it's not a matte kind of a cheek tint. It gives you such a beautiful sheen on your cheeks that it feels like on the high points of your cheeks, it feels like you have a beautiful natural highlighter on. Not chunky at all, very beautiful. So if you're looking for one, this is it. It's so good. The next one is this contouring palette from the House of Wet n Wild. Now this is how it looks like. This is in the shade Caramel Toffee. Now if you are looking for a contouring shade that is gonna look super beautiful on you, this should be it. This is a very close dupe to Hoola bronzer, the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and it is stunning. It blends beautifully. It looks so good. This banana shade as well is really nice if you want to set your under eyes, especially the highlighted parts of your face. If you want to enhance them, it looks really nice. It is not your regular powder, so you're not going to apply it on the whole of your face, just on the areas where you apply your concealer and you want to highlight that. It's going to look super beautiful. So this product in general is really nice, especially The pan size is so big, it's gonna take you some time to finish this off, but it is super nice. So for the last recommendation, I have another blush for you guys. Now this is from Rosemin Essential. It's an Instagram page. I will leave the link down below so you can check it out. Now this is what the packaging looks like. I really like it. Now this is the mousse blush tint. Now it is so good. It's very long lasting. This is what I've applied today, and as you can see, it is really beautiful. Now it has a moussey texture. As you can see, you just need that much and it should be enough. Look at that. It's a very beautiful texture. I wish you could touch it. It's so soft, like just like a mousse foundation if you have tried it, and especially if you use your fingers, it's gonna blend so beautifully again over your foundation. Looks stunning without any makeup. It still looks stunning. You need to blend it and it's gonna, you know, get into your cheeks and it's gonna look so stunning, as you can see. Guys, so that's it for the whole video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave the product links for whatever that I can find down below, so you can check the description box for that, and also all my social media will be linked down below. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram to check this makeup look out and so many other looks that I do there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.